you hoping to buy a home this year? If so, you're probably paying attention to mortgage rates. And as you know, they are rising. But what impact are they having on the real estate market? I'm Evelyn Lopes with the Evelyn Lopes Realty team and iPro Realty. And I wanted to give you a quick update on the current state of real estate. Here in the Greater Toronto Area, known as the GTA, specifically within Peel Region, which comprises Caledon, Brampton, and Mississauga communities, we're seeing housing market conditions that are continuing to evolve in response to higher borrowing costs. Similarly to April results, May 2022 sales were down on a monthly and annual basis. Conversely, active listings at the end of May were up on a month-over-month and a year-over-year basis. It's meaning that we're entering a more balanced market. And this has provided buyers with more choice and increased negotiating power. As a result, while benchmark and average home prices were up substantially compared to last year, selling prices have trended lower on a month-over-month basis, but they still remain higher on a year-over-year basis. If you want to learn more about what's happening on a national level and more specifically locally here within our community, check out our blog post. You can find a link in the caption below. Then reach out with any questions you may have or to schedule a free consultation. We're here to help you find your next home.